Hello, myself Gayatri Vasudevani, and today's topic is use of this and super keyword. Basically, Java is the object-oriented programming language, and in that the keywords are used. And by using these keywords, we the function which we want to access, that we can do by using the keywords. By using these keywords, we can easily do the programs in the Java. So this and super are the very important keywords in the Java. So first of all, these. This is the current instance of the class which is represented by these keywords. The current instance of the class is represented by this keyword. In order to call the default constructor of the current class, we can use this keyword. Also, this also it can be referred to from a static context. It means it can be invoked from the static context. We can use it access only the current class data members and member function. This constructor refers to the current class object. It is used for invoking the current class method. It can be used anywhere in the parameterized constructor. It is used to invoking a superclass version of an overridden method. Super, the current instance of a parent class, is represented by the super key. In order to call the default constructor of a parent class, we can use the super keyword. It can be referred to from a static context, that means it cannot be invoked from the static context. This super keyword we can use to access the data members and the member function of the parent class, and this is the very important property of the super keyword. This super constructor refers to the immediate parent class object. It is used for invoking the parent class method. It always the first line in the child class constructor. It is used for invoking a superclass version of the overridden method. That's it. Thank you.